Hello students, today let us discuss one more problem to find the effective diameter of the screw thread. So in this problem, a metric screw thread is being inspected by using the two-wire method in order to measure its effective diameter, and the following data is generated. So they have given data. They have given pitch as 1.25 mm. Then the diameter of the best size wire is 0.722 mm. Then distance over the wires is given as 25.08 mm. They are asking us to find the effective diameter of the screw thread. To find the effective diameter, we can write this effective diameter as DE. Let us denote it as DE. So DE is equals to T plus P, where P is the correcting factor and T is the dimension under the wires. So T is and P is correction factor. Now T can be written as M minus 2D, and P value, that is the correction factor, can be written as P small p, that is pitch, divided by 2 cot of x by 2 minus d cosec of x by 2 minus 1. So we can write P is equals to, pitch has been given 1.25 divided by 2 cot of, for metric threads, x value is 60 divided by 2 minus g into cosec of 60 divided by 2 minus 1. So after simplification, we get this correction factor value as 0.3605 mm. Now to find the value of T value, M, that is the distance over the wires, 25.08 minus 2 into small d, that is the diameter of the best size wire, 0.722. So when we simplify this value, we get 23.636 mm. Now the effective diameter is T plus P, that is 23.636 plus 0.360. So that will give us 23.9965 mm. So this is the effective diameter value. Thank you.